Welcome everyone. Thank you for joining me for another stream of Let's Learn QuickBooks. And in this series, I'm going to be tackling the QuickBooks online practice set. So, something that I want to do. Oh, forgot to turn on the music. Let's see. Let's get that started. Okay. And something I want to do at the start of the stream is I took some screenshots of the prior episodes on pages that I covered, just so that you guys have that, so you can reference back if you want to follow along. I am going to put that at the start of the stream. So let's start it off with the pages, just so you guys have it. So at the very outset, excuse me guys, but at the very outset we have to set up new pages. Set up new company. So this is the page for that. See if I can do full screen for this. I think that's fine. I mean, I can't figure out. Right, there we go. Perfect. So there's that. Now, cool, very cool. Page 6. Modify the chart of accounts. And if you guys want these pages, you can just like pause the stream over here or pause the video and take a screenshot of it so that you can have it in your own records if you want to follow along with reproducing, replicating it on QuickBooks. So set up products and services. Set up inventory on products and services list. Add new vendors. Add new customers. Check your progress. The second page will check your progress. Item list. And that's it for setting up the new company. That was the first section. Then we went into January, and I already captured some of the pictures or some of the pages on the other stream, but I didn't capture the initial pages. So I'm just going to do a couple of the initial pages so that you guys have that for your records if you want to take a screenshot of it for yourself so that you can replicate it too. Wait, this is not the first page, is it? 18. Oh. Close this. You guys already have that. These were the pages that you're missing, I think. January transactions. Right here. And this page as well. After that, you guys should have the pages. And I'm also going to show you guys, I'm going to go through the pages that we are going to be covering for that we're going to be covering. What's this? Why is this page 50? Oh, this is the wrong way. Let me sort this. Okay, I'm going to just go through the pages that we are going to be covering in this stream, so you guys have it for your records as well. So let's open this up. So okay, entering transactions for February. So these are like the notes for it. Here are the February transactions. Page 30. Page 31. So this is transactions 11 through 15. Page 32, transactions 16 through 23. Page 33, transactions 24 through 27. Page 34, transactions 28 through 31. Page 35, transactions 32 through 33. Page 36, transactions 34 through 43. Page 37, transactions 44 through 45. Page 38, reconcile accounts. and then check your progress. Page 39, balance sheet. Page 40, second page of balance sheet. Page 41, profit and loss. Page 42, accounts receivable AR aging detail and accounts payable AP aging detail. Page 43, sales by customer detail. Page 44, not sure what that is. What is that? Sales by customer detail, second page. Sales by product and service detail, page 45. Second page of that, sales by product service detail. Oh, kind of skipped over this really quick. And third page of sales by customer sales product. Was the third page of customer product and services. This page contains inventory valuation summary, page 48. Page 49 is transaction list by data, or transaction list by date. And page 50 is the second page of the transaction detail by date. Okay, so this is going to be all the pages for the February transactions, which we'll be beginning to tackle in this stream. So let's get started. I'm going to crack open the book. Let's open up this page that we're going to be looking at, which is going to be right here, so you guys can reference that. Hopefully the video, the audio is coming through good. Just having a little bit of issues with that prior. Hopefully there's not going to be any more issues with that. So I'm going to turn over to that page, which is page 29, and get started. Entering transactions. February. Fitness Haven opens on February 4th and offers 2 membership options. Monthly, new members pay a one-time registration fee of $25 and $35 a month membership fees. Quarterly, members pay 3 months of membership dues in advance, only $30 a month. The 3-month membership is non-refundable. Notes for entering transactions. Use a sales receipt for initial registration fees and membership dues received. Subsequent membership dues will be entered as invoice and then receive payment. Okay? So, good things to make note of. And for that, probably going to want to make some notes for myself. Let's open this up over here. And probably something I should have done before was to make note of the unique different types of transactions. So I'll start doing that at this point. Let's see, where were we? Enter sales receipts for classes and personal training sessions. Make sure to change payments received so that they go to undeposited funds instead of directly to checking. Leave them in undeposited funds until the transaction weekly to record deposits. Use accounts payable, i.e. enter bills and pay bills for monthly expenses and bills. When transactions say received bills, when transactions say received bills and pay bills. Enter checks as indicated for purchases from local retailers and others. Do not worry about depreciation on fixed assets. it is assumed the accountant or tax professional maintains details of fixed assets and depreciation. Okay. So several things to make note of in here. So let's move on to the next page. It's going to be page 30 over here. Hopefully you guys can see this. So for transaction number 1, February 1st, check number 10112 Oak Hill Homeowners Association and the amount of $150 for an ad in their newsletter. So I'm going to make note of this myself, so I have records of how to enter a check. Check. Okay. So I'm going to make notes of this myself. And just show you guys what I'm doing. Things that I feel like would be good to know, good notes to have. Okay, so what we're going to have to do here is go to New, I believe. And let's take a screenshot of that. New plus new vendors check. Let's take a screenshot of that. Shoot. What I do next is, okay, let me write that down. Select check. Okay, so we're going to select check over there. Since this is check number 1001, are we missing a check over here? Looks like we're missing one. Let's see what was the last check that was submitted. Yeah, it's not in the book. I'm guessing that when they edited this book, they didn't include it. They removed the check and didn't include the new one when they updated it. So, but that's okay. We'll just change this to number 11. Okay. And this is going to be to Oak Hills Homeowners. So we'll type it out to payee. Payee is the person that we are sending the check to. So Oak Hill Homeowners Association. Let's click add over here. Select save here. So we just created a vendor for that. This is going to be a date February. So let's put this February 1st. Alright. The amount is going to be $150, which we enter right here. For an ad in their newspaper. Okay. And we'll just circle back to this over here. What's this? Let's close this guy. And the amount of $150 for an ad in their newspaper. So, advertising and marketing makes sense to me. Oops, what happened? Product, service. It's going to be for add in their newsletter. Okay, so let's write that down. And in fact, I want to get an example. Let me screenshot the example. Screenshot. Enter vendor. Confirm check number. Okay, let's take a screenshot of that. Enter vendor. You know what? Okay. We're gonna have to do that in the next one because I already went through all the steps. So I'll just do that next one. So let me just screenshot that. Because I don't want to like do it step by step so that I have it all over here. And I captured the screenshot. Okay, so I think that's good. Let's do save and new because it looks like the next question is also a check. So next question. And we'll have to check later if that's captured in there. So we'll take a look later. So next question is, our next transaction is February 3rd, check number 1012 to Willie's Window in the amount of $75 for window cleaning, repairs, and maintenance. Okay. To Willie's Windows. Willie's Windows. Okay, well, first of all, let's, oopsie, what just happened? Let's go up here, new expense, check. Okay. So check, confirm check number. Take a screenshot of that. Insert. Box. Okay. It's not a box. I'll show you guys what I'm doing over here. Insert, shape, box. That right there. Shape outline red. Weight. Sketch that, make it more interesting. Curved. Freehand. Scribble. Alright. Insert. Alright, where is that? Shape format. No fill. Okay. Thirsty today. Okay, so where are we? check number 1012. Okay, so we did that. Let's bring this back here. Next step is we're gonna have to enter the vendor. Enter vendor. If new vendor, create vendor. Let's see. Willie's window. Take a screenshot of that. Willie's Windows. Save. If new vendor, click add new, select test, type vendor, type vendor, hit save. And we copy that box. Okay. Bank account. Make sure bank account. Make sure appropriate. Make sure corresponding bank account is selected. Okay. Select payment date. Select date. Is this 2523? Okay, so that's selected now. It's gonna be $75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Category, select account. Let's see what this is gonna be. This is going to be repairs and maintenance. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. What's next? 6 description is gonna be window cleaning. Cleaning. Okay. Take a screenshot of that. Descript. Enter. And the amount is going to be $75. 6, 7, amount, enter. Okay, so, and that's gonna be it for that. So we'll do save and close over here, and that's done. Now, we're gonna do the control check. And it's good practice to do control check after each transaction. Pull up corresponding financial report. In this case, profit and loss were checks. Okay, so how we're going to do that is go to reports, go reports, select. So let's take a screenshot of that. Profit and loss. Profit and loss. We'll have to put that section that's actually located in profit and loss. My accountant. Profit and loss. Let's see if that's there. Okay, profit and loss. And this is January through February. Well, we'll just want to look at February. So let's select February and run report. And see what we have here. And we can confirm the advertising and marketing and repairs and maintenance are both here. Let's see. Run report for current month. see. Edit date range. Date range. Select run report. Okay. A lot of stuff to write down. The confirm transactions flow through financial report. Okay, so okay. So that's done now. We'll move on to the next transaction and see how's this going. Refresh this over here. Okay. So we got that two done. And this is going to take some time, this stream, to get through transactions, since I'm taking a lot of notes for myself for future reference. So taking notes really slow down the process, but I think it's for our good, for our own good. So let's move on to the next one, which is going to be, next transaction is going to be number 3 transaction, which is also on February 3rd. Received inventory and bill $126 from Fit Foods Inc. for all items ordered on purchase order number 1. Okay. The terms are N30, net 30. Go to enter bills. When you see type in the Fit Foods as the vendor, it will ask you if you want to add the purchase order to the bill and click add. Okay. Oh boy. So, what this is going to be is let's see how we're going to do this one. Received inventory and bill. Received inventory and bill. Let's see, so let's write that down. Okay. How are we going to do this one? First of all, let's take a screenshot of this. So steps. How are we going to tackle this? For all items ordered as purchase order number 1, the terms are okay. So we're going to go to enter a bill. Okay, so what we need to do is enter a bill. Go to plus new. Plus new. Let's see how I did that previously. Enter a bill. Plus new. How do I do it over here? Check. Enter a check. Enter check payment. Okay. Okay. Enter a bill. Let's see, I think this will be over here, plus new, vendors, bill. Okay. Let's go ahead and select that. Plus new, and so let's screenshot that. Copy that as well. Check. Bill. Let's see. Okay, so that looks. So we'll hit bill. To enter vendor. Enter vendor. Let's see. When you type in Fit Foods as the vendor, it will ask you if you want to add a purchase order to the bill and click add. Okay. Fit Foods. This was the one. If outstanding purchase order is available on vendor, will receive option to add purchase order to the bill. If bill is bill corresponds to purchase order, select add. Okay. So I'm gonna add this. Oh shoot, did I take a picture? I did. Alright, so that's done. And since that's done, we don't have to do anything else. So we'll just have to save and close, I believe. Select, save, and close. Okay. Select save and close. Okay, perfect. So that's done. Now control check. What's going to be the control check? Well, we had an outstanding bill prior, so there shouldn't be a liability. So what the control check would be, check January to see if there's a liability. I mean, actually, I don't even know if there would be a liability because I think this is all cash basis. Let's check company settings. Your company account settings. Is this cash basis? What is this? Advance. Cash. Accrual method. So I'm gonna have to check the reports. Check the reports. Let's check the balance sheet. Well, that's March. Let's check just January's. And run report. There should be a liability over here. 427. Is that the same one? Well, we'll see if that liability changed to 126, or by 126 amount. And let's just see. Let's check it to here. Looks like it increased. 554. How much was it before? $427. 554 minus 427. Okay, that's the amount. Okay, I see. The purchase order wasn't recorded, but now it's recorded. So that's how it is. So we have that bill. I wonder if that's flowing through to income statement as well. Should be, because we recorded it. So let's see what we have for February. Run report. No, we're not. We don't have it. It should be though. Okay. We should, something that we should have now is the inventory though. Let's check the balance sheet to see if we have that inventory. Yep, right here, 126. Exchange for that liability. So we have accounts payable for this amount, and we have inventory for that amount. There should be also, if you're complying with US GAAP accounting, there will be income statement, there will be hit to not cost of goods sold. Let's see. No, I guess this is right. So we have assets in exchange for liability. Let's see. Purchase debt for AP. And we wouldn't record the cost of goods sold until it's sold, so that makes sense. Cash. Revenue. Anything how this would play out. Cost of goods sold would be debit. Like $100 credit revenue for $200. You receive. No, that's not how it works. Let me check really quick. So, accounting for inventory sold. And I can figure it out in my head, but I don't want to keep you guys waiting. see, journal entry. Journal entry. Here it is, cost of goods sold, debit, credit, purchases, and credit inventory. Let's see, cost of goods sold, purchases, inventory. Payable. Then we go credit, inventory, debit by cost of goods sold, and we credit revenue, and debit AR or cash. Okay, that makes sense. So right now it's just an asset and liability that's being recorded. So that looks good. So we confirmed that on the balance sheet. So let me write that down in my notes over here. Control check. Control check. Control check. Check. Balance sheet. To confirm proper recording. So how you would do that is reports, select, so report select over here. Let's get that over here. B for my accountant, select for my accountant, select balance sheet for my accountant, balance sheet, select okay. Hopefully this isn't a copyrighted song. I don't think it was. Okay. If it is, it's alright. Reports right here. And balance sheet right here. Okay. It's B, C. Okay, where is it? Select balance sheet. And here it is. Inventory assets and let's see. It's annoying. Confirm inventory asset and what was the other one? Accounts payable liability. Confirm accuracy. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see out here. So and if you want to drill down, if you want to doubly confirm, you can drill down to see what makes this up. So you can see over here it's Fit Foods 126. So if needed, drill down balance. If needed, select accounts payable figure. So let's see. Okay. I'm right here. So break it up into steps. That's it. That's it for this one. Let's see. Lot of notes to make. And this is really going to slow down my progress. I don't know why this is opening. But anyway. Now, let's close this guy. Close all. Next step is next transaction, which is transaction number 4. Transaction number 4 is February 4th. Lucy Steele paid $25 for a first-time gym registration fee and a monthly membership fee of $35. Total received $60. Enter sales receipt, click the create icon, and then click sales receipt under the customer section. Okay. Note, use or check. Note, use cash or check as the payment method, but make sure to change the deposit to box to undeposited funds, since Fitness Haven only makes weekly deposits. Okay. Click save and new. It will default to save and send, but we aren't email those receipts to anyone for this exercise. It will save you your preference as the default going forward. Okay. So let's close that out. I'm gonna have to make the next guy over here. So we're going to be making a sales receipt. So let's write that down. Sales receipt. I don't think we've done that yet, so let's take a look at that. See, we can get that guy again. Sales receipt. Sales receipt. Boom. Okay, perfect. Something curious about to see if my name comes up. I think it will, because for QuickBooks Online certification, I think it's been verified, but I made some changes to it. So let's take a look at that. QuickBooks Pro Advisor Publish. See if that's up or not. I think I'd have to log off over here to check, so I'll check that another time. Let's get back to here. So let's take a look. Sales receipt. Okay, so pay $25 for the first time registration fee and monthly membership fee of $35. And if you go back to the original page, what it say about that is enter sales receipts for classes and personal training. Okay. Use sales receipt for initial registration fees and membership dues received. For initial registration fees and membership dues received, subsequent membership dues will be entered as an invoice and then receive payment. Okay. So Lucy Steele paid $25 for a first-time gym registration fee and a monthly membership fee of $35. Total $60. Entered a sales receipt. So first time fees, it's going to be a sales receipt. So how are we going to enter that? Let's find out, because I haven't entered one yet. Let's close this. Okay. Let's open this guy up. So, new. Where's sales receipt? Here it is. So, let's start that up. First of all, let's take a screenshot of that. Can you open this up? Bigger. Insert. Okay. So one is what? Enter a sales receipt. Okay. And how we would do that is plus new. Let's just copy this guy over here. So plus new, I think it's customers, right? Customers and sales receipt. Sales receipt. How we do that is now do a screenshot of that. Plus new sales receipt. Okay. So let's see that. right here. Okay. Sales receipt. Let's see. Lucy Steele paid membership fee. Who's Lucy Steele? I guess that's the customer. Okay, so 1, 2. Enter customer. Customer. Enter. I wonder if I put the right date for the other ones. Let's find out. Yeah, I did. Okay, so customer. Enter. Okay, so enter a sales receipt. Customer, enter. Let's see. What's the name? Lucy Steele. Add new. If new, add new. Okay. Save. Hit save. Alright, let's change music over here. I'm getting tired of Hey. So what's going on here? Okay, so what's next? Okay, no email address. We don't have that. Date will be February 4th. Okay. Oh, man. Sales receipt date, enter. Okay. make sure that this is all good. I forgot to enter that guy, the red box, so I'm going to enter the red box now. Save over here. Sales receipt date, enter. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, right here. Sales receipt date. Boom. Okay. And now what else do we need to enter? Something has to be changed here. Okay, payment method. Use cash or check as the payment method. Okay. Payment method. Cash or check. Okay. Say cash. Let's see what we got here. Change the deposit to box to uncategorized funds. Select, let's see, deposit to select undeposited funds, cash moved once a week. Okay. No, cash deposited once a week. Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Right. Now products and services. This will be 2 lines. Registration fee. And what else? Monthly membership. So $25 over here, $35. Okay, that's perfect. Let's see what we got here. 5. Enter 6. Product. Service. Enter corresponding products, services. Okay. Alright, so that's entered. See, and that's it, I think. 6, 7. Hit save. So this is gonna be case is gonna be save and close. So let's see. Let me open that up again. Hit save accidentally. Okay. So that's now saved. Save and close. Make sure that didn't get doubled up. So we got going on here. 1. Okay, perfect. Let's close that out. Oops. I don't know why I got help. Now, control check. 7, 8. Good practice to always do control check. Sales receipt, cash, run, financial report. And this is a sale receipt, so it should be an income statement. So, A, reports, select. Okay. Reports, select. Okay. E. My accountant. Balance sheet and profit and loss. Should be in both those guys. Balance sheet, let's check. It's going to be in undeposited funds right there. $60. Undeposited funds. And profit and loss. Profit and loss should be right here. Okay. Okay, that's that. So that is now next. See how many pages we got for this. A lot of transactions. 31 transactions, 33, 45. And I'm not going to do this for all of them, just for the unique types, so that I have my records regarding how to do it. So far we got, over here we got check outgoing, receive inventory and bill. So I'm going to change that to bill for received inventory. There we go. Let's see what we got going on here. Sales receipt. What else we got going on here? Let's do at least one more for this stream. Okay, we got another received bill from, let me open it up for you guys to read. Okay, so wait, let me make sure that we selected the correct date for that sales. What was it? Lucy Steele? Let's see what's going on here. Let's take a look at that. It's February 4th, so that's good. Next one's going to be so Lucy Steele is done, transaction number 4. So we're going to be moving on to transaction number 5. February 4th, Jerry Klein paid $25 for first-time gym membership registration fee, and a monthly membership of $35. So this is going to be the same thing. We're going to do the same thing over here. So new customers, sales receipt, and it's going to be cash, right? Paid, and a monthly membership of $25. Okay. So, what's her name again? Jerry Klein. Or his name, Jerry. I guess Jerry is one of those names that could go either way. So Jerry Klein. Save. Okay. Payment method, let's say cash. Undeposited funds. Now this is going to go for registration fees. And monthly membership. Okay. Let's see how this guy is looking. Set up a new vendor. Yeah. Set up a new company. That was all recorded. For some reason I just didn't record the other guys. But anyway. Let's see, everything looks good to me. $60. Jerry Klein should come out to be $60. Save and close. So next transaction. Transaction number 6, February 4th. Okay, it's February 4th as well. Received bill from Yoga Bliss LLC in the amount of $235 for yoga mats and towels, i.e. fitness supplies. Create a new expense account. Detail type fitness supplies. Create a new expense account. Detail type supplies and material with terms of 2% 10 net 30. So add new term 210 net 30. Add new term 2% discount if paid within 10 days. Net due in 30 days. Note, as of writing, the option to create a term with a discount was not displayed on the Firefox browser. Please use Google Chrome if possible. If not possible and the discount box is not there, use net 30 instead. Okay, so let's take a look at that. receive bill. So you go to new, pay bills, receive bill, bill. Okay. Vendor, bill. Name of the person is going to be Yoga Bliss LLC. Yoga Bliss LLC. Add new. Save. Terms. Okay, we're going to add this over here to bills received. Let's see. With how's that done? PO. Let's go. With PO. PO. Purchase order. So let's go ahead and stick that over there. Oh no, it's right there. What we need to do here is bill so it's going to be here. A lot of water bottles right now. Got to clean up the area. So bill received supplies. No PO. No PO. No PO. So it's going to be the same as here, I guess. So I'm just going to copy here. See supplies and equipment. Was equipment and materials. No PO. Here I'm going to screenshot this guy. Let's see, insert, screenshot. Okay, that's accurate. If new vendor, add new vendor. Okay. Okay, let's delete that. Let's remove that one, delete that one. Save that, move this to back. Send to back, save. Date is 2/4. Okay. Bill number. Oh. Terms. Let's see. Net 30. Do and this is Google Chrome. Why is it not working? and fixed number of days, 30. Let's see, net 30. Where's the percentage? It's not here. This is Google Chrome. Huh. Why is it not here? Net 15. Okay, so that's what it says we need to do here. For yoga mats with terms of 2%, 10, net 30, add new term, 210, net 30. Okay, so add new. 210, net 30. Do in fixed number of days, 30. Save. Okay, the option to select it is not here either. Let's check YouTube right now. Let's see. Let me see. How to add discount on bill, or let's do QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online, how to add discount. See what they got here.
This is Vince's desk. Vince is working, just not here.
Get your free copy.
You will want to offer discount you can add to sales forms. To do this, first click product or service. For example, you could type discount 20%.
What's this about?
Heading to open a new services to sell from the product or service column.
This is nothing. How to discount sales. No. And bill.
Hi, this is Liz with Quickbooks.
Nothing like that.
Try to get a discount.
Okay. Let's see. I don't see anything about that, unfortunately. Let's see. Actually, I'm able to find something on Google. Seems like a quick way to enter a discount on vendor bills from one of our vendors. Some of our bills are eligible for percentage discount. Depends if this was an earlier payment discount, then Intuit response is correct. Early payment. Okay. Can I get pictures? Here's how. Looks like there's pictures here. Okay, here it is. Okay. Thanks for providing a screenshot of your bill payment. And in Quickbooks Online, you will need to create a vendor credit card. Let's see. Go live. Okay, let's see what we got here. What do we got here? There's nothing about it. Guess a bill payment. I don't see it as being possible. But regardless, we'll just finish this one up. As of this writing, the option to create a term with a discount was not displayed on the Firefox browser. Please use Google Chrome if possible. If not possible, the discount box is not there. Use Net 30 instead. Okay, well, I created it, so it looks good. It doesn't look like it's an actual. What's saying it's not an actual thing to create. It's just like you're not actually creating a selection for it. You're just adding this terms over here. But let me make note of this. Enter vendor. Okay. Select terms. Select terms. Okay. Select terms. What else do I have to do? Select terms. Payment terms. Okay. You know what? I need that. Maybe I do. I don't know why that's back there. Okay. 5. Select date. Okay. Due date. Due date. Okay. So due date selected, not due date. Build date. Build date. Okay. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. 5, 6. Save and select. Hit save. Okay. Hit save and close. Ah boy, looks like the video stream quality is fairly low right now. Unfortunately. This happens. From time to time. It's very annoying. Okay. Oh. So save. I think save and close is not correct. I'm missing something. 6. What am I gonna do now? I have to do create new account category. So category is gonna be create new expense account. Enter category. Enter new account. Enter account. Account. If new account needed, create one. Okay. So in this case, fitness supplies. Fitness supplies. Create new account. Okay. Select add new what? Add, select add. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. So now we have to add new. So detail type is going to be supplies material. Select appropriate. Detail type. Parameters. Count type. Detail type. Name. Okay. Hit Save when done. Okay. Save and close. And this is going to be $235. Enter amount. Oh, enter description. It says 6, 7, and description. Enter if needed. Eight. Save. Amount. Out. Enter. 235. Eight. 9. Hit save. Save and close. Oh, I didn't select that yet. Okay. Oh shoot, I put the wrong one. Okay, let's put it right here. Yoga. And yoga mats, and towels. Okay. What's going on here? That's the wrong one. Okay. Okay, 235 I think it was. 235. Let's bring this back. What the heck? Bring to back. Send to back. Okay. And that should be good. Save and close. Now forgot to enter that. What was the name of this guy? From Yoga Bliss. Sales. Now receive bills. Bills. Let's look back. Okay, save and close. Hit save. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now let's do that. Do that. Need one more. 1, 2. Okay. See how that looks. Now, 10. Control check. So let's think about it. We did a bill, so it's going to be accounts payable, and it's going to be, well, it's expense. Expense and accounts payable. Check financial reports for proper to confirm accounting. To confirm recording. Accounts hit were expense and accounts payable corresponds to PN profit and loss and balance sheet. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's close this out. Let's go to the reports. Let's go check my balance sheet. Balance sheet should have accounts payable in that amount. Right here. We're gonna have to drill down on it. Sheet select. Okay, yeah. It's not gonna go to inventory, as you guys can tell, because it's not an inventory item. So we're gonna have to remove that. Let's take a look at that. So send to back. Send to back. So we're going to click here. Here we can see that. Send this to back. Let's bring this down a little bit. Okay. There we have it. And also take a look at the profit and loss if we want to. And we can see office supplies, fitness supplies right here. So we have here A, B, C, D, E. Also review profit and loss. Let's see, let's put that over there. Let's see what we got going on here. There we go, fitness supplies. Okay, so that's it for that transaction. Let's make sure that that properly got copied. Okay, so with PO, let's put that link. Let's copy that right here. Insert cells 9, 10. There we go. Okay, that's done. Let's move on to the next transaction. That was transaction number 6. We're going to move on to transaction number 7. Transaction 7 is going to be a sales receipt as well. So it's going to be a quick one since we already did it. No. Okay. So this is going to be sales receipt. Customer sales receipt. Customer is going to be Jim Hill. Oh, I don't know if I showed you guys the number. So this is number 6, number 7. Jim Hill paid $25 for a first-time gym registration fee and a monthly membership fee of $35 sales receipt. Okay, Jim Hill. So let's save that. Jim Hill. Date is going to be 2/4. Okay, that works. Cash payment, like all the others. Undeposited funds. Products and services. Registration fee. And monthly membership. And this is going to be save and new because the next one is going to be a quarterly membership fee. This is monthly. Save and new. Okay. And maybe we'll want to take a look. Oh, one sec. It's like receiving a call or something. Okay, so let's continue with this next one over here. So the next one's going to be transaction number 8, which is February 4th. Augusto Gutierrez paid $90 for a quarterly membership, i.e. 3 months of gym membership. For quarterly members, the monthly rate is discounted to $30 a month. And the registration fee is waived because of prepayment. Okay. So I'm going to enter a sales receipt for that. So let's enter his name. Augusto Gutierrez. Add new. Save. Sales receipt date is 2/4. Payment method is going to be cash as well. Undeposited funds, product and services, quarterly membership. For quarterly memberships, the monthly rates is discounted to $30. The monthly rates and the registration fee is waived. Okay. So let's hit save and close. Okay, perfect. Perfecto, perfecto. Let's see how the stream is going. Going okay. My internet is not. My internet connection is not that strong, but that's okay. Let's look at my reports. And now let's look at sales. Sales by customer detail. Because now it's getting a little bit unwieldy. Reports. Sales. By customer detail. I don't understand. Oh, this is because it's from March. Let's do it through January. So now we have, it's getting a little bit unwieldy. It's getting harder to confirm through the financial reports. So now we're going to confirm through this sales by customer detail report. So Augusto is $90, and that looks right. John Hill is $60, that looks right. Okay, great. Good stuff. Now we're going to enter a check. So let's go to new, vendors, check. To Long for Success LLC in the amount of $450 for the QuickBooks Online setup and training. Okay. So, Long for Success LLC. Save that. So date is 2/5 now. In the amount of $450 for QuickBooks Online setup and training. Okay. So create a new account for accounting fees as a sub-account of legal and professional fees. Okay. Let's go ahead and add that. Accounting fees. Okay. Is a sub-account. Expenses to legal and professional fees. Detail type. No. Legal, professional fees. Legal and professional services. Create a new account for accounting fees as a sub-account of legal and professional fees. Okay. Set, save and close. Purpose is QuickBooks Online setup and training. Okay. For $450, and let's hit save and close. Okay, so that latest check, let's take a look at report. Let's see, check reports. I want to check detail. January 1st, run report. Long for Success, 2/5, $450. Okay. 26. Sent invoices to Adrian Gonzalez, Daniel Brown, and Lucy Hopper. Oh, wait a second. Wait a gosh darn second here. Looks like only Lucy Steele. Looks like only Lucy Steele paid in cash. No, never mind. So what's going on here? Sent invoices to Adrian Gonzalez, Daniel Brown, and Lucy Hopper. Adrian Gonzalez, Daniel Brown. Okay, interesting. Lucy Hopper. Okay, see. I forgot to show you guys what I was reading before. When was the last time you even looked at it? But check number 1013 to Long for Success LLC in the amount of $450 for QuickBooks Online setup and training. Create a new account for accounting fees as a sub-account of legal and professional fees. And let's see. Augusto Gutierrez paid $90 for quarterly membership, i.e. 3 months of gym membership. For quarterly memberships, the monthly rate is discounted to $30 a month, and the registration fee is waived because of prepayment. And look, and these are the other guys. Okay, so sent invoices to Adrian Gonzalez, Daniel Brown, and Lucy Hopper in the amount of $35 for February gym membership, monthly membership with terms of net 10, add new terms. It's transaction 10. Their gym membership was waived because they signed up in advance. Select invoice from the create icon. It is under the customer selection. Click save and new after entering each. Okay, and this one's going to be the last one for today because it's been on for over an hour. So let's go ahead and tackle this one and keep it moving. Invoice. Okay. So I'm going to do an invoice for each. Oops. 11. Let's move that over here. Let's go ahead and screenshot that. Okay. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. So, now to do that, one, how do we do that? Enter invoice. Enter invoice. And the steps for this, not the same as that, but just to get the formatting, enter new, customers, Might be close to that. Okay, new customers. Where is invoice? Oh, there it is. Invoice. Invoice. Okay. So date is going to be, well, let's see. To vendor, enter name. So this is going to be Adrian Gonzalez. Add new, save. Oops. Adrian Gonzalez. Add new. What the heck's going on? Adrian. Oh, we already have an Adrian Gonzalez. Did I just enter that? Oh yeah, I must have entered that before. Okay. Okay, terms. So add terms of and select terms. If not on drop down, add new. Okay, so here we're going to do net 10, net 10. So we're going to add new. 10 days. I guess. Net. Okay. So that's going to be adjusted 10. Invoice date will be February 6th. Well, we'll first do one thing at a time. Invoice date. February 6th. Enter. Okay. What's this gonna be? Monthly membership fees. Three, 4, product, service, enter, account. Guess I've been forgetting to select this. Okay. Invoice. What else we got here? Vendor. Oops. What is this? Terms. Invoice date. Oops. I think this is invoice date. Product service. Right over here. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. Was it 6, 4, 5? Now that's it. Hit save. 6. Control check. Check. Invoice report. Maybe we'll have to see if this flow. I mean, as an invoice, it should hit revenues. I'll check the profit and loss to see if QuickBooks is administering this as a accrual basis accounting. If it's not, then it's not. It's QuickBooks is administering cash basis accounting. So let's hit save and close. And then we'll have to do the other guys, the other members. So what is this? Profit and loss. Let's see, what was the last one? Yeah, so QuickBooks is administering an accrual basis of accounting as opposed to cash. We have it set up as accrual basis, but I'm just confirming that. So let's take a look at it now. Let's go back and enter the other 2 invoices that we need to enter per the question. Another 2 were Daniel Brown. Let's see, it's going to be net 10. 2.6. Products and services will be monthly membership. Save and save. Save and close. Oopsie. Let's go ahead. Go back over here. Sales. No sales. Invoices. Let's see what just happened here. 105. 106. And now we're at 107. This one's going to be Lucy Hopper. It's going to be net 10. Invoice date is going to be 2/6. Due date 2/16. Automatically selected. Product date, our product and service will be, what is it going to be? Oh boy. Product and services will be monthly memberships. Okay. Save this and close it. Now let's go take a look at the invoice report. Invoice report. Let's see who owes you. Invoice list. Invoices and receipt payments. Open invoices. So let's take a look at open invoices. So we have in Gonzalez, we have Daniel Brown, and we have Lucy Hopper. Okay, perfect. You could send email the invoices to customers or make the invoices recurring since it is a monthly membership. However, we won't do either in this practice set. Okay, and that's going to be it for today. We completed that one page. It took some time because we were going through it on recording our notes on how to do this all invoice list. So it took longer than normal. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. So everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If it was helpful to you, please hit that like, notification bell, and subscribe button. So you guys, as always, continue to hustle out there, work hard, work smart, and have a good one, guys.